Hi friends! I want you to stop whatever you're doing right now and look at yourself in the mirror. What do you see? I see someone who's incredible, someone who's powerful, and someone who's got all the potential in the world to conquer her day. Yes, you. Today we're talking about how to shine brighter than ever, even when you feel like time is running out. Today we dive into Barbie's beauty hacks for busy days. Let's be real, we all have those mornings when you feel like you've been hit by a tornado. Your schedule's packed, and your to-do list looks like it's about to take over the world. But guess what? Just because you're busy doesn't mean you can't be fabulous. In fact, being fabulous is the secret weapon that makes everything you do even more powerful. Let's talk about how you can be the queen of productivity and beauty, all at once. First off, you need to own your morning. I'm talking about waking up with intention. Start with a positive mindset, because how you start your day sets the tone for everything that follows. It's like when you're preparing to walk the runway, right? You don't just show up. You own it. You prepare, you plan, and you go out there with confidence. Even if you're rushed, this mindset shift will make everything smoother. Now, here's a little hack for you. Multitask your beauty routine. You've got your hands full, but there's a way to squeeze in some self-care without slowing down. Here's how. While you're brushing your teeth, do your skincare routine. Start with a light moisturizer to give your face that dewy glow. While that's sinking in, give yourself a few minutes for a quick scalp massage. Not only does it feel amazing, but it also boosts circulation, and that's a natural way to keep your hair healthy and strong, even on those crazy mornings. But wait, let's talk about your hair for a second. We all know how a good hair day can change everything. It's like when you're wearing your most fabulous Barbie outfit suddenly. You're not just dressed, you're empowered. When time is tight, pull your hair back into a sleek ponytail or top knot. Barbie's pro tip: add a little bit of shine serum. That way, even if your hair is messy, it looks chic and polished. You can also apply a dry shampoo to give it a fresh look. Just shake it, fluff it up, and you're good to go. Trust me, you'll feel like you're walking through your day with a runway-ready glow. Let's talk about your skin. Busy days mean less time for elaborate routines. But guess what? Your skin can still shine without the hassle. BB cream is your best friend, okay? A little goes a long way. It gives you that perfect skin finish, while hydrating and protecting. Bonus points if it has SPF because, honey, we're not skipping the sunscreen, no matter how busy we get. Apply that with your fingers for a quick, flawless finish. Now, here's the secret weapon: your eyes. We don't have hours to get ready, but we all know the power of a well-defined eye. Barbie's beauty tip: mascara. A single coat can do wonders. It opens up your eyes, making you look awake and alive even if you feel like you just woke up from a 5-minute nap. If you've got a little extra time, a swipe of eyeliner can elevate the look, giving your eyes that extra pop. But listen, never underestimate the power of a bold lip. You're already a powerhouse, but a swipe of lipstick will seal the deal. Don't just go for any color. Pick one that makes you feel invincible. Red, coral, or even a subtle nude. They all say, "I've got this." Bonus beauty hack: if you don't have time for a touch-up, grab a lip stain or lip tint for longer-lasting results. This way, even when you're on the go, your lips stay fabulous. Here's something you'll want to add to your beauty arsenal: the all-in-one makeup palette. Think of it like your Barbie dream house, everything you need in one place. With a palette that includes blush, highlighter, and eyeshadow, you can quickly brighten your face and look fresh in no time. Apply a little highlighter to your cheekbones and brow bone. Bam! You look radiant and ready to take on the world. Let's shift gears for a second. Confidence is the best beauty hack, and this is something you already have inside of you. There is no perfect version of you. There's only the version that you create every single day. And let me tell you, you are more than enough. So when life gets hectic, remember that your mindset is everything. The way you see yourself is the way the world will see you. And you know what else is essential? Water. Don't forget to hydrate, darling. When you're drinking plenty of water, your skin will glow, your energy will soar, and you'll feel like you can take on anything. It's like giving your skin that much-needed refresher, like giving your Barbie dream car a quick shine. Hydration is beauty, and it's the simplest way to stay fresh. Barbie's next tip is all about embracing your natural beauty. Whether you're rocking a full face of makeup or going for that bare-face glow, it's important to remember that you are the definition of beauty. You don't need to look like anyone else. You don't need to chase after some idea of perfection. The most radiant version of you comes when you embrace your unique self. So love what you have and show up as you are. Now, don't forget about your nails. A quick manicure can be a game changer. A splash of color on your nails doesn't just make you look polished, it makes you feel polished. If you're in a time crunch, a coat of clear nail polish can do wonders. It gives you that chic, put-together look, no matter how busy your schedule is. Speaking of nails, keep a small beauty bag with essentials. Pop it in your bag, or keep it in your car. Inside, stash a mini deodorant, hand sanitizer, lip balm, and a mini perfume spray. These small, thoughtful details will not only keep you looking fresh, but will also give you a moment of calm during a hectic day. You're not just tackling tasks, you're doing it with style. Remember that beauty is not just about appearance, it's about how you carry yourself. Carry yourself like you own the world, like you were born to conquer everything in your path. You are Barbie, and you have the confidence, the grace, and the power to shine through even the busiest of days. And when you hit the end of your day, and you're exhausted, make sure to take time to unwind. It's not just about looking beautiful, but about feeling beautiful. Whether it's a warm bath, reading your favorite book, or watching your favorite show, allow yourself moments of peace. Your beauty is your power, and it thrives when you take care of yourself, inside and out. In conclusion, Barbie's beauty hacks are all about working smarter, not harder. Your beauty is not confined to how much time you spend getting ready. It's about creating moments of radiance throughout your day. You have the power to look and feel amazing no matter how busy life gets. The secret? Confidence, preparation, self-care, and a sprinkle of Barbie magic. You've got this. Now go out there and be the fabulous, radiant, unstoppable woman you were always meant to be. Remember, you are beautiful. You are strong. And you are always, always enough. Let's shine together, friends.